I get no buzz.
Hey, I'm recording. We're live. Hey, we're live.
Oh shit.
Okay, so
Wait, you get that last
getting ready. No, while he's getting ready, let's look at all of our meals.
So we got straight chocolate,
Straight chocolate.
Birthday cake.
We got the
It's like all right.
bacon, egg, and cheese bowl with sausage gravy on top.
Don't forget the orange juice.
the syrup and the lemonade.
Mix them together.
The chalky milk.
All right. Car number 1. I'll let you introduce this guy.
A little smaller than his counterpart.
A little smaller than his counterpart.
That might make him a little bit more special. This isn't just a car, no. This is a.
Are you recording or are you just facing it down?
This is a person on a car. Not only a person, a child. Baby Mario on his little go-kart. There is no Luigi.
Why? That is not a key point of the car.
There is no Luigi.
Luigi is right there.
That's baby Luigi.
Oh.
But they have blue Yoshi. I don't know why. Okay.
Open it up. What are we doing?
He can be the describer and you can be the opener.
Hey, it's me, Baby Mario. That was tough. All right, now we line them up.
Yo,
Here, this is my,
Numero uno.
all right. Next car. What do you know about chicken wings?
hot wings.
Ooh.
Hot wings. Now
That
there's
is
a
fire.
what?
Oh my god.
Now there's a secret about this car, and that's that it looks like what? That's hot sauce. Let's pop this thing open. Oh, that's tough as beans.
Yo, give me this. It's hot as beans.
All right,
It's perfect, though.
all right. There you go, Hot Wheels. Hot Wheeler. What is it called?
Pass
Hot
the
Wings.
next. Let me do baby. You thought Baby Mario was crazy?
You're not even looking at the camera, bro.
What are you looking at?
You thought Baby
Mario was crazy?
You thought Baby Mario was crazy? You have not seen this yet. You know how we said, there. Well, I'm kind of wrong about that. We got Baby Luigi.
Pop that thing open.
Brock and his little old scooter. But it's not really a scooter. It's a car.
What? Open it up.
Let's pop this baby open. Get it? Because it's a baby.
Here he comes.
Oh. Let's put him right next.
My flan got gravy on it.
Oh, that's
He gets
unfortunate.
to drive somewhere.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. Golly.
All right. Next car. Now, so if you have 2 babies, what are they gonna ride on?
What?
That's where Yoshi comes in. Babies love ride on Yoshi.
What else?
Dude, what are the other features of Yoshi? Yoshi is an amazing son.
Babies love riding him. It's an amazing time.
Everybody loves riding on Yoshi.
Guys, he's breathing just like baby Luigi.
Oh,
the problem.
That's cool.
Oh, these two might be in conflict in the future, but you'll have to wait and find out.
Hey, it's Yoshi. That's stupid. Alright.
Can I open the last one, please? Can I open the 5-pack?
All right.
Yeah.
This car is silent but deadly.
What?
But it may be silent, but it sure is awfully bright with 4 lights in the front. Oh, 6 lights. 8 lights? Let's count them off. We got 1, 2, 3, 4,
Count
5,
any slower,
6,
bro.
7, 8, 9.
There would also be.
And then there's 10, 11, 12. You're seeing everything.
You're seeing everything.
Because if Baby Luigi and Baby Mario were out on a spin,
You don't wanna
and you
hit 'em.
couldn't see them in the street, now you can.
If Baby Luigi
You
was
can
riding,
open this one up.
if Baby Luigi was riding Yoshi, then you gotta see that. That's so bad. Whoa, back it up.
That was tough.
Too bad I didn't get it.
What? You're useless. Alright. Now, last car.
You know today?
No, we got 5 more after this. But,
What?
yeah.
Wow.
What? So, here's the thing about this car. Make space because these cars are driving wide.
Wide.
So, it's got a little wide body. I just opened the car.
You can't miss it. Yo, man.
He's so slick. You drive him around.
Careful not to misgender.
What are you talking about?
Drink a little hot sauce on the way.
Yes!
Oh, that's hot! That's really hot! Water!
Alright, I'm gonna take the camera.
Okay. Here, keep your finger on the floor so you can like zoom in.
Under the table, bro.
No, let me go
Under
to
the
the
table,
side.
under the table.
No. This is a one-man show.
One-man show.
We got the 5-pack.
Oh, 5-pack?
5 and 1? 1 and 5? What's this guy on about?
6 and 7?
Does he know how to open boxes?
Oh, yes, please.
I'm still working on that. Are you ready?
What?
Faster than a speeding bullet. You. Gone flash.
Dash, 100 yard dash. Wait, what's up with the thing in the front?
What thing in the front? It's an airplane.
The tail in the front. Anyways, guys, let's carry on.
Let's carry on.
This one is a real old-fashioned roadster. You can hear it coming down the block from a mile away.
Experience on the streets.
You hear something? You hear something?
That car, even though they don't have minds of their own, it looks like it has a mind of its own. That is
Shut.
That's like,
What are we gonna call this car? Looks super basic. It needs a name.
the red and
Man.
yellow, the red and yellow mobile.
That's what I'm talking about. Yes,
Man, I sure am hungry.
dude. You literally have a bowl of food right there.
Bro, shut up. Bro, actually shut up. I haven't had anything to eat in a long time.
Wait, what'd you just do?
I have a taco. That's not a taco. That's a car.
Eat it more.
Dude, what kind of taco are you indulging in at this moment?
A car taco. It's called carne asada. Like carne asada. Carne.
Oh. We geek. What the car? Okay.
Okay.
Carry on.
This next one. It's a lake and a river.
What is it? A fish?
I didn't get a glimpse of it. Maybe
Then
we should keep
I'm
looking.
a bear. It's a salmon.
Oh. So. Whoa, too fast with the camera.
Oh shoot.
Oh, insane.
Alright.
I caught the taco because that's all I got on my mind right now. It's a good snack and a nice meal.
Alright. Hey, not
Is this-
so fast.
Wait, if I do my math
This
right.
isn't your show, man.
No, if I do my math right, we've already done 4, so that means there's only 1 left.
Oh, crap.
That's some next level thinking, Vincent.
You're right.
We cornball, bro.
It's a truck. And it's maroon.
We can go with the maroon truck, maroon mobile.
Yes. No. It has some.
Yes.
So we can call it the, instead of the maroon car, the macar.
Just call it Mar at that point, bro.
Wait, like Mar, fish, like the person in the pond. Bro's not getting choked again, bro. All right,
Is that a leaf bone knowledge?
and for the last one,
Wait, I thought that wasn't anymore.
Whoa!
off any oil change.
Wait, what? I zoomed in too much. Shut up.
We don't need oil. Our cars don't run on that kind of gas.
Wait, watch this.
They
You
run
see
on
the zoom?
They run on pure coolness.
They run on friendship.
And
This one's
rainbows.
friends with that one, and that one's friends with the car taco.
But
And
this
car
one
tacos.
doesn't like this one.
Yeah, nobody really likes the red and yellow mobile. That's the issue. This guy's friends with this guy because they both look alike. And then all of the Mario Kart cars.
No,
are
no,
friends.
no, 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 no. Yoshi is currently separating these two because he believes in a segregation style society.
Segregatory?
Wait, segregation?
Dude,
That's not
I
cool.
thought people liked riding Yoshi
Hey.
though.
Hey, this one really puts the hot in Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels, more like.
And
Hot Meals.
do an outro.
That's it.